Hey, what's going on, everyone? It's LaSalle over at HappyPennyStocks.com. I want to make this video really just to prove a point out there. So I just kind of want this to be on my site, so when this stock crashes, people can come back and say, "Hey, you made the call." There's a company called ORC, which is ORC. Its parent company is called Bimini, and it's basically in the same industry it's in. Now, this company is trading at $12.29 right now a share. PE is ridiculous at almost 47 times earnings, and that basically tells you that this company is overpriced. It's a real estate investment trust. Actually, right now it's not considered a real estate investment trust, and they're hoping to qualify as a real estate investment trust. So they are going to be putting out dividends here in the next couple of days, supposedly on the 28th. Now, to be a real estate investment trust, you must pay out dividends up to 90% of your taxable earnings must be provided to your stockholders. So they are paying a dividend, but the fact of the matter is the company has very little cash on hand, which is about $2.5 million. Now, although they do have a parent company, its parent company only owns 30% of its own subsidiary. So it's kind of weird that your parent company will only own 30% of its subsidiary, and the rest of it is just basically floating out there for anyone to take. Now the company has about $110 million in assets. It's valued at about $44 million. And what's kind of also scary about this company is basically it invests in what's called mortgage-backed securities. Now, for those of you who know, that's what got us into a lot of trouble before. And they're buying from the very people, Fannie Mae, Freddie Mac, Ginnie Mae, who bought a lot of this toxic debt. And this company has purchased it. And in this environment, in a very low interest environment, you're going to have a lot of prepayment. And prepayment is basically when you take out a mortgage and you pay it off early. That's prepayment. And you're not going, as a real estate investment trust in a low interest environment, you're not going to make a lot of money when you buying pass-through securities and people are paying off their mortgages faster than you expect. That means you are incurring costs that you are not being able to pay off in time, because what you need in a successful real estate investment trust is consistent payment. You need that mortgage to last, and if mortgages are not lasting, that means you're not making money. So long-term money, that is. So I expect that this is going to be a short. I don't want to make this video too long, but I would short this company. I believe this company is a single-digit company stock price. It should be no more than $5 a share. I don't see how it's worth $12 right now. It's ridiculous. And I see this stock here collapsing. The chart is beautiful right now, and it's headed for the floor. So again, the company's called ORC. Look into the financials, look into its parent company, and I think you'll agree with me. So I'm not going to get too crazy about it, but about going into all the numbers, but looking into it for yourself. Look at that chart. It just tells me a collapse is about to happen. Okay, guys, take care.